guys, today I don't have too much time, but I'm going to finish cutting out along the back edge in the little areas that I couldn't get to with the angle grinder because it's just a bit too big to get in. So I've not got too much time, but I may be able to sort of start. I'll make up at least a CAD template of the plate that's going to go in, and probably not going to get it welded in today. That'll have to be a job for another day, but yeah, that's where we're at with it now. Nice big hole in the floor. So yeah, so we'll start cutting that bit out, see if we can get a CAD template made up, and that'll be about it for today, I think. Also, if you can't tell from my voice, I'm absolutely full of cold, so that doesn't really help situations very much, because I don't feel particularly great. So yeah, just going to have to do as much as we can on it anyway, so let's crack on with it, shall we? Alrighty then, I know it's been a bit of a short one, so don't feel too great, so don't really have much effort today. Anyway, I've got a cardboard template made up now. That's actually version 2. Version 1, I ended up cutting too much off the end of it and it was too short, so I remade it anyway. Yeah, it's not 100% perfect, but it's close enough. I'll transfer that onto a piece of metal tomorrow. I'll make it just a tiny bit bigger on the corners, really, because I think that's mostly where I've cut it a bit short. And then we can just, it's easy to grind the piece of metal down than it is to add more onto it, as it were. So there we are. So there's the template. There's a bit folded down on the back. So what I'm going to do, instead of pulling off the valance, I don't know if I said in the last episode or not, I cannot remember, but instead of pulling off the whole valance and welding it in as being the middle lip as the boot floor is meant to be, just for this repair, what I'm going to do is have this piece bent down. I'm going to have it a bit longer than this, down to maybe like bottom where my thumb is now, and then drill some holes in the valance, and I'll just plug weld it through on the valance, and then obviously seam seal it so we don't get any water in. As I say, it would be an absolute pain to pull the valance off, and I really don't want to do it. It's in good condition. I don't really want to have to do that. So yeah, that's unfortunately what I'm going to do with that. Some people may disagree, some people may think it's the right thing to do. Either way, I'm doing it, so there we are. It'll certainly get it through an MOT. It won't be letting water in, so I'll seam seal up any bits or I'll seam seal all of it on the edges. It should be from the factory anyway, so it's not going to let water in, and it's going to be stronger than rust. So that's my opinion on it anyway. So yeah, if you enjoyed this episode, guys, please drop us a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching this episode, and I'll catch you in the next one. We'll hopefully get some metal cut out from that. Guys.